always been a dead month for launches. But there is one phone that I am excited about, iQOO 12 5G. And the phone will feature Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This will be the first phone to feature this chipset. The pre-booking is starting from 5th of December and the company will provide a Vivo TWS as a complimentary gift. There is one more phone that is launching next month, which is in January, OnePlus 12, and that phone will also feature Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. However, there are some differences between both the phones, and that's why I'm here. I'm here to tell you guys about 5 such differences. So चलो, without wasting any time, let's get into the video और जान लेते हैं इन 5 major differences के बारे में. Let's start with the display. So OnePlus 12 will feature a 6.8 inch of display, whereas iQOO 12 will feature a 6.7 inch of display. Now, there is one biggest upgrade, which is 2600 nits of peak brightness in OnePlus 12. However, iQOO has not yet confirmed about their peak brightness yet. Now comes the second feature. This is an interesting one, PWM dimming, which is pulse width modulation and basically means the way you can control the brightness of your display. Now, the OnePlus is rumored to have 2160 Hz of PWM dimming, whereas iQOO has not yet confirmed about such feature yet. Now, let me tell you that Honor 90 had 3160 Hz of PWM dimming. Now, if anybody wants to know about PWM dimming in detail, they can quote themselves in the comment section below and I will make one detailed video about it. Now, the third feature. So basic camera upgrades are common, but there will be a 64 megapixel telephoto lens in iQOO 12. And if we talk about OnePlus 12, there will be a 64 megapixel telephoto 3x zoom lens present in the phone. So how many of you are excited about the wireless charging? Me too. Lekin OnePlus 12 is coming back with wireless charging. 57 watt of charger आपको मिलेगा with wireless charging. Now if we talk about iQOO, there are 2 variants, 120 watt with wired charger and 50 watt with wireless charging. And now comes the last part and the most interesting part, the price part. So OnePlus is rumored to be priced around 60k or 65k maximum considering the leaks and the upgrades. Lekin iQOO will be priced at 57k at max. And this was it about this video. Which phone are you rooting for? Let me know in the comment section below. Well, I am waiting for OnePlus 12 and keep watching Gadget Times. This is Anshika signing off. I'll see you guys in the next one.